Namaste. Today we will discuss about the third law of thermodynamics. To discuss third law of thermodynamics, first of all we should know three aspects of it. Now, first of all, we will discuss about entropy. Now, what is entropy? Now, it is the degree of randomness. Now, suppose let us take an example. Let this is a water, and here let it be a gas. Okay, then in water we know that the intermolecular spaces are less, so the movement of this element will be less. Okay, so we can say that the degree of randomness of this element will be less, but in case of gas the randomness will be very high, so that we can say that the degree of randomness of gas is high. So this is entropy. We can write here entropy is degree of randomness. Now second point we have to understand is absolute zero temperature. Okay, absolute zero temperature, its value is minus 273 degree or Kelvin. Now, what is absolute zero temperature? It is that temperature beyond which the degree of randomness, we can say that this of any element will be very negligible. Suppose this is an example and its temperature is minus 273 degree Kelvin. So if we will take its temperature beyond 273 Kelvin, then its degree of randomness will be 0, means that there will be no movement between their intermolecular spaces, and we can say it has minimum energy. Its element has minimum energy. Hope you understand absolute zero temperature. And now third point is perfect crystal. Now what is perfect crystal? Perfect crystal. Now let this be a perfect crystal. Here we can see that the arrangement is regular, that everything, the distances between that their intermolecular spaces is very random, or we can say perfect geometry. So a perfect geometry object is known as perfect crystal. Or we can say if we will make a cut of this object, then we can get a regular pattern. Everything will be regular. Hope you understand perfect crystal. Now we will relate all these three aspects with third law of thermodynamics. Now what does third law of thermodynamics says? Now it says that the entropy of a perfect crystal at absolute zero temperature is 0. We can write its definition. The entropy of a perfect crystal at absolute zero temperature is 0. But it is true only for perfect crystal. But when we are at the minus 273 degree Kelvin Celsius Kelvin temperature, at that point there is not necessary that its entropy will be 0. But in case of perfect crystal only this happens. So it will be only applicable for perfect crystal. So hope you understand what is the third law of thermodynamics. It is clearly written here. The entropy of a perfect crystal at absolute zero temperature is 0. So hope you guys understand third law of thermodynamics. Thank you and share my video, like it.